In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country of residence in Wise, step by step. Whether you're moving abroad or just updating your details, this guide will help you do it the right way. First, open the Wise app or go to the Wise website and log into your account. Tap or click on your profile icon and select Personal Details. Here, you'll see your current country of residence. If the option to change it is available, click or tap on it and select your new country from the list. You may be asked to provide proof of your new address, such as a utility bill or rental agreement. Upload the required documents and submit them for verification. Please note that in some cases, Wise may not allow you to change your country of residence directly. If this happens, you'll need to contact Wise customer support for assistance. They may ask you to provide additional documentation or information to complete the process. If this video helped you change your country of residence in Wise, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.